What's up YouTube, Soul State here. In this video, I'm going to talk about why I think Cybersole is dying and it is very close to being dead. Just a heads up, this video was recorded on my stream last night. So if you guys hear me referencing chat or looking off to the side or getting numbers from other places, I'm just talking in chat. I didn't have them up on the screen. But anyways, guys, make sure that you follow this channel, subscribe to the channel, like this video, spread the word, guys. I don't want this to be viewed as a call out to Cybersole or anything like that. I'm not going at them. This is just alerting you guys to something that I've been noticing over the past few weeks, over the past few months. And it's just sad to see because Cybersole was really the first big bot that I came into the scene on. So to see the state that it's in now is pretty sad. Anyways, boys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications if you're brand new. Enjoy this video, boys. Let's talk about why Cybersole is dead. Look, let's chat about it, boys. Okay, so this actually comes courtesy of my Discord, Soul Palace. Link down below, $1 to join. Okay, so here's what I'm talking about, okay? Look at this, and just pay attention to some of these numbers, okay, chat? Just pay attention to some of these numbers. All right, let me show you guys what we're talking about, okay? It's sad that we're at this point. This is what Cyber posted Saturday. First of all, it doesn't look good when you say, for the next 24 hours, you can buy 3 extra instances for $1. That's not good, right? That's not a good start, okay? That's... oof. They say, we have a fairly low amount of tasks being ran on Yeezy supply. In order to give this a boost, we're going to offer 3 instances for $1. That's not good. That's not good. But the thing that's even worse, whenever they posted the numbers, let's look at this, chat. Look at this. Look at how pitiful, man. This is so sad. It's so sad. Total amount of tasks ran, 95,000. Keep that in mind, okay? 95,000 tasks, okay? That's how many was ran across Cyber for the Zebra release. Total amount of users, 160. So you know what? I haven't done the math before. I'm no math major. But if you have 95,000 tasks divided by 160 members, 593, okay? So each user ran an average of 593 tasks, all right? Queue passes, 900. Total tasks, 95,000. Queue passes, 900. That's not a good ratio. Let's take it a step further. Total carts, 300. Total queue passes, 900. So a third of the tasks that pass queue actually carted. I don't even know what the percentage is of task to carts. That's a big percentage for me. If we have any math whizzes, feel free. Total checkout attempts, 200. So from the time you carted to checkout attempts, you lost 100 just in that one step. You had 200 get to checkout from 900 that passed queue. And once again, you had 2.33. Oh my gosh. 200 checkout attempts, 95,000 tasks. Right now you're thinking it can't get worse, right? But it can. From those 200 checkout attempts, we saw a large number turning into some type of decline. 27 fraud, 4 not enough balance. So what you're saying is 31 were the user's fault. 27 fraud, 4 not enough balance. That's nothing to do with cyber. They can't help that. 100 plus generic declines. So these 100 generic declines, I agree. From what I've heard, firewall was high, but you got 100 generic declines and you didn't even talk about it. So if you take 200 that got to this checkout step and you subtract 31, and then you subtract, let's just say at best, another 100, you're left with 69 checkouts, maybe 69. They didn't even say for sure. At most 69. 69 out of how many? This big number. 95,000. At most 69 checkouts from 95,000 tasks. Yeah, do we have any math whizzes in here who can tell me that ratio? What's that percentage? What is that percentage? I have to imagine that it's pretty low, right? Can you imagine what the numbers were on Valor and Trickle and Mech and Wrath and Whatbot? 0.033% is what Brandon says. 0.033%. That's not good. That's really not good, guys. But then, just the creme de la creme, the cherry on top, they followed it up with this. Seen a few slanderous remarks in chat today, and I'm going to have to state that the team will not tolerate such remarks, which have no weight and serve no benefit to other users. If they said that the bot did bad, I'd say that's in bounds, right? I'd say that's pretty fair, right? We will start to mute individuals who spout nonsense, not to censor anything, again, as there's nothing to censor, since claims are made with no weight, but to protect our name from slander and false comments. Chat seems to be getting divided, and we don't wish to allow arguing. So I've got gone and locked chat for the rest of the evening. We're supposed to be a community, so please keep things civil, friendly, and respectful at all times. And then I'm not really sure what happened, but they deleted a bunch of channels. So chat, I bring this to you guys. I bring this to you behind the camera. Is it fair to say that cyber is struggling? Is it fair to say if you have a 0.033% checkout rate or a 0.0003% pass rate, is it fair for those users to be upset? Is that fair? Is that in bounds? Would you say that claims that your bot is struggling carries weight? Would you say that? Don't try to censor people that are telling you that your bot is bad. Because based on these numbers that you yourself posted, which, might I add, thank you for that. Thank you for posting those numbers for us to look at. Would you say that's fair? For us to be upset about that? Would you say it's upset for your members to say, hey, this bot's not doing very good. I paid $8,000 for this bot, and now it's poop. So what I'm trying to say is, right now, Cybersole, cyberaio, it's dead. It's dying. If they do not pump life back into this bot, it's dead. Okay? And when you start locking the chat and you start censoring people, even though that's not what you want to do, but that's what you did, when you start doing that, it's pretty much game over at that point, right, boys? Have we seen this before? Have we seen examples of this stuff happen before? A bot starts declining. It was once extremely popular. They start censoring, and then it's gone.